What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial in brackets. In this video we're going to talk about 3 more elements that actually help us to work with our text. So let's say in the bottom of my web page that I'm going to create, I would want to add my contact information, right? So I could add something like this over here, and then I would write, I don't know, jco@hotmail.com, and then let's say I'm gonna create another paragraph over here, and in this paragraph I'm just gonna say that my address, let's say it's gonna be 6000 West Montrose, Chicago, Illinois, and let's do this one like that, and then I don't know, 60743, something like this, right? That's my zip code. But we have a address element that actually allows us to format a little bit nicer, right? So we type over here the element, and the element we want to use is address, and I close it out over here. And what I would want to do is take these 2 paragraphs over here, and then I would cut them, and then I would paste them over here. But the problem is that you can see that I actually pasted right away a body element with it. So you can see that 2 things are happening. Live preview is right away telling me that I made a mistake, and it's on line 11, and it's also not displaying anything because there's something wrong. And that's the nice thing about brackets, is that it right away catches your mistakes, you know. Otherwise we would save this file, then we would go back to our file with the browser and we would try to open the page, but we would have it blank, right? So that's the nice things about brackets, is that any mistake what you make in HTML, it right away catches, and it actually helps you to avoid it right away. So I'm just going to cut this out, and you can see that it is displaying right now. So I'm going to paste this back in here, and now we have my address over here written like this. And now I could use my inserted and deleted elements, right? So let's say that I would want to create something like a different street. Let's say that I'm living right now in different street, right? So what I could do is take this Montrose, cut it out, and put it in here. And you can see that right away it works as it's being crossed off, right? Or I could work that, let's say instead of Montrose, it's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be Cicero. So I can write Cicero. And in here, what I would do is I would put it in inserted element. So I'd write ins over here. And then I'm going to cut this Cicero over here, cut it over here, and paste it over here. So now you can see that it's underlined over here, the Cicero in Chicago. Now the thing is, you will be doing all of this once you're doing with CSS. I'm just showing you that if you are really one, you can start doing something with just HTML. However, all of these things we'll do with CSS. That's going to be the styling. However, HTML does provide some basic elements that actually help you work with the text. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.